So this item that I have right here is a mixed media artist's dream come true. So whether you're stenciling, painting, watercolor, stamping, this is gonna be a great work surface. It's all made out of silicone, and it has all of these built-in features. So number one, it has a really great alignment guide. So you can always push your project up into the corner. So if you're stenciling and you want to get it positioned just right, or stamping in a certain area, it's going to allow you to always have proper alignment. It has measurements and everything embossed into the mat itself. It has a little cup here that actually pops up. You can fill that with water, wash your brushes or different pads out, whatever you have. This is also a little platform, great for propping up your paint brushes so that they don't get drip paint all over the table. We also have some mixing wells over here. And then when you're done, you can wash it off. Everything's gonna come off of it nicely. You can roll it up and put it away for next time. The tentative retail on this is $34.99, and it'll be launching in the second half of 2022.